How to enable or disable Control Center on the lock screen on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from Settings, scroll down, then tap on Face ID and Passcode. Next, we enter the passcode. Then scroll down. In here, tap on Control Center. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When this is on the lock screen here, you can pull down the Control Center. If it is turned off, so if we go in here and switch it off, here I'll go down and switch it off. You can see that on my lock screen now, I will not be able to pull down the Control Center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.